American Pole and Timber produces and supplies timbers, beams, and custom structural components for mass timber construction projects. With our experienced production staff, decades of timber manufacturing experience, and our state-of-the-art production facilities, we can manufacture custom timber components to meet any of your project's unique needs and specifications. And we deliver worldwide. Components we commonly produce and assemble include structural timber trusses, made-to-spec beams, timber corbels and rafter tails, custom hardware and beam connections, specialty wood columns for support and lighting, mechanically connected beams, and built-to-match components for rebuilds and restorations. Additionally, we supply SFI Certified and FSC Certified wood products, and we are uniquely capable of manufacturing custom FSC Certified structural wood components. Call us or contact us online about your mass timber project and how we can support your project with timber products, custom hardware, and built-to-spec timber components.